What is going on with the graph? We're going to check out the charts, see what exactly is going on there. We also have some exciting news from the graph. We're going to check that out. It's not being talked about enough. And Bitcoin did a thing. Bitcoin hit $50,000. That right there is such a massive psychological level. I don't know about you. I was pretty excited about that. This could mean some good things for the also could mean some bad things. But yeah, we're definitely going to check out some news on the good old graph and see what's going on with Bitcoin. And if you're new here, definitely consider smashing that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So diving right into the news on the graph. We've got the news right here. After a successful mainnet launch on Ethereum, the graph evaluates integrating additional layer 1 blockchains. Interesting, they spent a lot of time with Ethereum. So let's scroll down here. It says the graph has spent 3 years. They have spent 3 whole years developing subgraph features and refining the graph node for Ethereum. Now that standard will be applied to other blockchains. They're looking to apply it to other blockchains, and they got them all right here. It says after receiving feedback from the community, the blockchains currently being explored are Bitcoin, Polkadot, Near, Cosmos, Solana, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, and Celo. Wow. I know two that stick out to me, two that stick out that I personally want to see happen is Binance Smart Chain and Polkadot. Of course, it'd be cool to see it integrated on Bitcoin as well, but Binance Smart Chain and Polkadot, there's some of the hotter players out there. I mean, Cosmos with the Stargate coming up real soon, that's pretty cool as well. But which ones would you like to see the graph be integrated on? Let me know down in the comments below. And we're going to go over this news more in today's live stream. So definitely stay tuned for today's live stream. Make sure you press those post notification bells so when I go live, it instantly pops up on your phone. So checking out the graph, we first want to look at the market cap, guys. The graph has grown very, very well. We first saw a graph, it was like what, 100 million, 200 million, somewhere in that range. Now it has $2.6 billion market cap. Whoa. And I know there's a lot of concern for the circulating supply right here. It's going to get increased and like over the summer. So that's something to keep an eye on. But I believe a lot of those will probably be delegators, so it's going to be locked up anyways. So, but that's something we need to look into further to see exactly what is going on there. So right here's the graph. We got the graph up here. Look, the graph has been respecting that 210, 212 line very, very well. This is support and resistance. We fell below this. Let's just start back. As soon as we broke the 210, 212 region, parabolic move, parabolic, nice, big 4-hour candle. Then we slowly consolidated. We're falling down below the 250 region, and bam, we fell right down here to around 210. We're holding this as support. We touched it once, twice. We bounced up in the middle, and the third time, fourth time, fifth time we broke, we fell below on the 4-hour, and then we came back up. So far, we're up, and right now we're riding it very well right here. We're staying very close to that. Hopefully, we can see it bounce off that 210 region, bounce up, get above. It seems like we have some issues around 240. If you look back, so get above that 240 region, and once we finally do that, we break that 240, break the 255, and bam. All-time high is like 290, so that was up. But there's not going to be that much resistance around 270. It seems like that 240 in the short term is going to be pretty hard to break. As we can see right here, we can zoom in a little closer. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, perfect. Scroll back. You look at that. A lot of play around the 240. A lot of play between 240. Yeah, bam. Right there's a 240 line. Let me make you a nice little visual right here. Look at that. There's a lot of play in there, and we obviously got rejected. We got rejected, so just keep that in mind. We want to see this hold this 210 area right here, because hopefully this right here, we're hoping that this right here was the bottom. You guys think that's the bottom, falling down all the way down to approximately $1.68. We're hoping that is, but hey, the thing is that we could see some more further down. We could see some more further price action to the downside. It's 100% possible. There are no certainties for sure, especially with Bitcoin dominance going up. So keep that in mind. Bitcoin dominance is going up. I mean, it went from 60 to about 62, so it went up a little bit. But it's taken some of the monies from the total market cap out of the altcoins and put it into Bitcoin. So hopefully, we have to keep an eye on that. See what big good old daddy's doing. The good old Bitcoins. But as we see right now, that 212, 210 region is major support. And we keep testing it. Which is a little scary because the more we test it, that increases the odds of us actually breaking it. But if we have some capitulation, which means if we have another wick like this down below the 210, that right there could mean it's the final blow, and we're going to see more price action to the upside. But look at this though. These are some massive wicks showing a lot a lot of buying pressure. That's exactly what we want to see. So that looks very good. We pop back up. We got rejected around 240, but hey, let's see if we can pop back up and make that happen again. And as always, there's no certainties, only probabilities. So just keep that in mind. But once we do break the 240 and 255, I expect all-time high for sure, going well over $3. I don't know about you. Are you excited for a $3 GRT? I know I definitely am for sure. So definitely smash that like button to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. Let's go check out some DNT. That's been doing pretty well right now. I mean, we fell down here once again, massive drop right here. Bitcoin fell, everything pretty much fell. Some consolidation. We like to see that. Possibly some capitulation right here. Do you guys like these long wicks? Do you guys know what that means? A lot of selling pressure. So just keep that in mind. I mean, a lot of buying pressure. I apologize. A lot of buying pressure. But as we can see right now, we've fell below that 28 cents. We're holding that support. It's been looking very well. It's kind of similar to GRT. We've been playing around with that. And look at this. We're finally breaking up. Let's come back to the 4-hour. Perfect. Look at that. Nice buying pressure came right above our support. That's very good. On the 4-hour, bam, we're breaking back up. We want to see us get back above 38 cents because that's where the last body hits. The last body ends, which is going to be some last form of resistance. This all-time high here, like this right here, depending on where you look. CoinMarketCap says we made all-time high. CoinMarketCap says we did not make all-time high. CoinGecko said we did. So keep that in mind. It's based between like 43 cents to 50 cents is all-time high territory. Once we break this, though, we're definitely going to make all-time high on all the charts. So keep that in mind. I'm pretty excited about making an all-time high with the good old DNTs. That's exciting because, if you've been on this channel, we've gotten well below a penny. Well below a penny. So, right now we're sitting at 35x gains. 35x gains. If you sold up here, that's 45x gains. Just massive right there. Massive gains were made. So, yeah, expecting some higher price action to the upside. And of course, let's go check out some good old Bitcoin. What is going on there? Look, we respected this channel. We respected this channel. We broke up above it, and obviously we broke up and we got shot right back down because it was like, what are you doing? You're moving too fast. We're hoping to see this thing eventually break out to the upside. And if you guys are not aware, you guys have not been following the channel for a while, got to pull up this one. Got to pull up a different Bitcoin chart. Right here is the bull flag that's been playing out for a long time. We got to pull back to the daily. Bam, look at that bull flag breakout. The measured move shows around $55,000. So we're talking about a $55,000 Bitcoin. Isn't that just amazing? So definitely, we already hit that 50,000 region. But it could blow up a little higher to 60, but for sure hitting that 55, that's the target. As always, no certainties, just probabilities. This thing is playing out very well. And it's not a short-term play. It's a little bit of a longer play, but that massive candle breaking that 38.9 region was a big deal. You see that big candle right there. So eventually I expect to see another big candle breaking out from the channel that I just showed you, which was right here. So expect that thing to break out with the big candle. We'd love to see it pop to 55, possibly like $57,000. Only time will tell. So just be patient with that, guys. And a little update on Filecoin. We're just hanging in there. Filecoin's consolidating. We're waiting for some price action to go. But keep in mind, the Filecoin kind of gets boring. It lies flat for a long time. So we may end up lying flat for a long time. I know I said back in like January-ish, that I think it's a good buy under 25 bucks. And a lot of people got a little frustrated. They lost their patience. Like, what's happening? But guys, be patient. Filecoin, I'm in this for the long run. I think this thing will break out and make a lot of people surprised. So just stay tuned for that. What do you guys think about this news of the graph trying to integrate on other blockchains? And what blockchain would you like to see the graph integrated on? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you have not already, definitely give the crypto homie at homie_crypto a follow on the tweeters. We got good morning tweets, all that great stuff going on. So I will catch you guys all in the live stream later today. Definitely put on those post bell notifications, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I hope you guys have a great day, morning, afternoon, wherever you're from. And keep in mind, I'm just a dude on the internet. I am not a financial advisor, and the crypto homie will catch you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.